Good morning, my dear kids. So, last week, what we learned? We learned the lesson pollution, right? So, in that pollution, what are the topics we learned? Yes, we learned about the types of pollution. What are the types of pollution? Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and then land pollution, isn't it? So we learned about air pollution and what are the causes and effects, and then how we can prevent air pollution. The same like that we learned for water pollution and then noise pollution and then land pollution. Okay, so today we are going to see about the exercise part of pollution topic. Okay, so all of you take page number 115. Page number 115. Okay, so in that choose the correct answer. What is the first question? Dash the air we breathe is air pollution. So you all know that dirtying the air when we are breathing, that is such as air pollution, right? So what is the answer? Dirtying. Second question. Smoke from dash and factories pollute the air. Cars or bicycle? Yes, cars. Very good. Third one. Do not throw dash into rivers, lakes or oceans. Waste or fish? Yes, waste. Then, loud noise is harmful to the eyes or ears. Very good, ears. Land pollution is dirtying the dash. Air or land? Land. So the first answer is dirtying. Second one is cars. Third one is waste. Fourth one is ears. And the fifth one is land. Okay. Then all of you take the next page. Turn the next page. Okay. Match the following. Okay. What is this? Burning garbage. Whether it is noise pollution, land pollution, water pollution, no smokes or air pollution. Yes, it is air pollution, right? So when garbage or plastic is burnt, harmful gases are let out. This also pollutes the air. So this burning garbage, it is a air pollution. Then plastic thrown in water bodies. So when we are throwing the plastic or some other waste in the water bodies, it will pollute the water, right? So that is water pollution. Then bursting noisy crackers, it will affect the loud sound, it will affect the ears, right? It will create a noise, that is noise pollution. Garbage thrown on roadside, it will pollute the land, that is land pollution. Bicycle, it will never create the smoke, right? That is no smoke. So burning garbage, air pollution. Plastic thrown into water bodies, water pollution. Bursting noisy crackers, noise pollution. Garbage thrown on roadside, it's land pollution. Bicycles, no smoke. Then tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. First one. If you breathe dirty air, you will be healthy. No, right? Wrong. Vehicles should be kept in a good condition. Yes. Water pollution affects the drinking water. It's a correct one, right? Did you all complete? Then, loud horns and loudspeakers are a few causes of noise pollution. Yes. Kitchen waste cannot be used to grow plants. No, it can help us to grow the plants. Okay, it's a good fertilizer too. So the first one is false, true, 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 and the final one is false. And then we are going to see answer the following question. First one, what is pollution? We all know that pollution is the process of making making air, water, land and the environment dirty. Pollution is the process of making air, water, land and the environment dirty. Next, how can we prevent air pollution? Yes, air pollution, it's a 1 point. Okay, air pollution can be prevented by using bicycles. Okay, by using bicycles. Because it will never create smoke, right? As they do not let out smoke. As they do not let out smoke. Air pollution can be prevented by using bicycles as they do not let out smoke. Third one, what is water pollution? Water pollution is dirtying of water bodies such as lake, rivers, etc. Water pollution is dirtying of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, etc. Who gets affected by noise pollution? You all know that old people, they will be gets affected by noise pollution, right? Old people, O-L-D, old people get affected by noise pollution. Write in 2 ways to prevent land pollution. We should never burn garbage. We should never burn garbage. Then we should not, otherwise kitchen waste can be used for growing plants. Kitchen waste can be used for growing plants. Okay. Hope you all completed. So I'm going to wind up the class. Take care, my dear kids. Bye bye.